Wow.
So we have coffee, some cakes, and muffins and drinks. And you can have.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god. Oh.
Woo, welcome by.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, these are my gifts for you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really?
I made these yesterday.
Whoa.
So I have one for Helen and one for Dora.
Ayo.
These are size medium.
Oh.
And I made this, it says, for Sisters Embroidery. Dreams don't work unless you do, because this is our dream. Our dream here. So, so this for you.
Wow. So thank
And
you
then
so
for
much.
the boys, these
Whoa.
are in, these,
Thank you.
Larger.
this has the
size.
coordinates here of Canton, Georgia, so you can always come back.
Location, right?
Yeah, the location. So we have large, and extra large. If
I need
somebody-
the larger one.
Okay, so then you get extra large.
Oh my god.
So those are all for you guys.
Work.
Unless
Awesome,
you
awesome.
do.
Wow.
Yes,
You
definitely.
have to
sweet.
work, and then
Yes.
the dream happens. Yeah.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
So those are my gifts for you
What
guys.
the saying.
Like we made these for this is Hickory Flat Elementary School. So I made these for the school. So I put glitter vinyl inside, like an applique.
Oh, got it.
It's a glitter vinyl applique.
vinyl 就是我你们那天看到的那个。
이 씨는
Yeah, it's just, and the kids love it.
Yes.
The children love it. It's
Yeah.
fun.
Training.
It's designed by yourself?
Yeah.
You made the
Wow.
design
Yeah.
yourself. Oh, it's not so nice.
And I was selling these like 2 years ago, like a lot.
So 2 years ago you have made these.
Yeah, I just
yeah,
kept this as
saw-
an example.
Yeah, I still saw like a lot kind of.
This
designs
hasn't been
made,
washed.
like,
I didn't
yeah.
wash this one. But the kids have been wearing them and they're fine. We made these ones. This is the glitter vinyl too.
Oh.
So it's vinyl
Oh.
inside
Wow,
Can.
I love
Whoa.
this.
because the kids like the rainbow.
Yes, yes.
Oh, it's so nice.
Rainbow color,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful.
So beautiful.
So be kind.
Yeah.
Yes, be
And that's
kind.
for their
Be kind to the
school.
world.
Yeah.
Be kind to everybody.
Be kind to life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind.
Oh, good.
Nice, nice.
The
Was it
children.
was for
Pretty
the
cool.
elementary school?
Elementary school.
Oh,
Yeah.
got it. And one more thing that's like because our brand is Bai, B-A-I. And we're wondering like how do you pronounce that? B-A-I.
I say
like,
Bai.
You say Bai, so it's not difficult to pronounce it,
No,
right?
no.
So like, have you ever like thought about what's the meaning of Bai?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's your
I have no idea.
understanding?
I don't know. Somebody's name.
His name, maybe Tony's name.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Yes, because we are just wondering like if our brand name, like because our brand name is Bai, is actually
I'm sorry.
it's
Yeah. I don't know.
we were just wondering like is it difficult for our clients to like
Remember?
read it, and is it easy for like everybody to
I think so. I mean, there's so many businesses that have like acronyms that are just the letters.
Yes.
So I
Actually,
think
just
so.
no meanings, just
Yeah, it's just the
just
letters.
the
Yeah.
letters.
I don't think it's a problem.
Oh,
I don't
good.
think I never could
Fantastic.
thought, oh, that's weird. That
Yeah.
it's international. So
Oh,
I think it's
yes, I
international.
think
So I
it's
studied
international.
international business at University of Georgia. That was my degree.
Oh, I guess
And
Tony
so
would
I
be
thought-
very glad to hear
Yeah,
that.
look, there's my diploma. See, international business from University of Georgia. I have some needles I can't get to work. Like yesterday, number one, it's too. I can't figure it out. That's my only problem is the tension. Sometimes
Okay, Chris, like
tension is so hard.
Yeah,
你好像昨
Chris
天开
can
始
do.
不能工作
Yeah.
Okay, maybe Chris can help you to check what the problem is. Check. Maybe like too much angle, I think.
Is it maybe the?
Or here. And this one thing like this kind of like,
Yeah, that one's broken, but that's
and this one.
yeah. I've never had a problem. I think I hit the these hoops. I use the magnetic hoops.
Yeah.
And I hit it once. Yeah.
Oh, you hit the frame.
Yeah, I hit the frame.
Oh.
But it still works, even if it's broken.
Durable.
This is a cutaway,
This is
away.
the cutaway.
and then this is the tear. Yeah.
Tearway.
And this is the
This is like a. No, this is a backing I put.
backing.
Yeah, for like baby
Oh.
clothes. I think
baby clothes.
inside.
Soft.
Oh.
Yeah, softer on the inside.
Softer inside.
Yeah, but I have the wash away. Is this
Wash
one?
away.
Yeah.
This. Yeah.
Yeah, I keep it here because it gets so humid.
Ah, this is the wash away. Yes.
Yeah.
Right.